Kalau misalnya ada hasil buat mereka, mereka harus makan itu.
The Mentawai Islands, located off the west coast of West Sumatra in Indonesia. These islands are one of the most popular natural tourist destinations in Indonesia. It's still natural beauty with white sandy beaches, clear blue sea water, and less tropical forests, make the Mentawai Islands a paradise for nature lovers. In addition to its natural beauty, the Mentawai Islands also have a unique cultural wealth. The Mentawai people, who are one of the oldest tribes in Indonesia, still maintain their traditions that are closely related to nature. We traveled to the Mentawai Islands for 14 days. The journey began from Lampung, followed by a 30-hour overland journey to Padang City. From Padang, we used a ferry for 6 hours to reach Seabird Island, one of the main islands in the Mentawai Islands. The Mentawai Islands consist of three main islands, namely Seabird Island, Sipra Island, and Pagai Island. Seabird Island is the largest island in the Mentawai Islands, with an area of about 3,838 square kilometers, with a population of around 30,000 people. The islands are divided into 10 districts and 43 villages.
Dusun Bek
Keilu dari Bali.
Bek Keilu
Dusun
Salapa
sama Dusun Magosi.
Magosi.
The Mentawai people are thought to have inhabited the Mentawai Island since around 2000 until 500 BC.
Asal-usul Seabird ini kita dulu dari Selatan, habis itu misalnya ada pertengkaran bermasalah namanya buah speu. Jadi setelah ini buah speu itu dia masih dalam satu keluarga besar, karena buah speu itu baginya orang itu ambil yang kasar, yang jatuh, karena mereka itu tidak mendapat sebagian, dijuallah misalnya jeli namanya. Habis itu karena mereka itu tidak ada yang mendapat sebagian, ada pertengkaran dalam gara-gara buah speu itu, mereka itu lari di suku-suku lain, baru mereka itu berpecah. Ada yang misalnya suku kampungnya di Sikabaluan, ada Saigi Samuko, ada misalnya Siur Selatan, ada si Peradaya, ada si Kakap, ada si Pora. Karena gara-gara buah speu itu. Tapi biarpun dia berpecah-pecah, sukunya tetap ada.
Saja anak pedalaman. Kalau dulu yang ceweknya itu tidak pakai baju, masih pakaian ada di kawan, masih piring itu. Kalau sekarang udah ada sebagian pakai.
Life in Mentawai is dependent on nature, and the Mentawai people believe that the forest is the home of ancestral spirits. Their beliefs are known as Arat Sabulungan. Arat, to the Mentawai people, is a harmony with the world, a unifier with the Ummah, and a guarantee of a life full of peace and tranquility. They still worship Arat Sabulungan to this day.
Jadi kalau misalnya udah pulang ke rumah baru dibuka, disimpan, tidak dibuang sembarangan.
Sebelumnya sudah dipakai tapi udah
They play an important role in the Mentawai tribe because of their ability to heal disease and communicate with ancestors and spirit of nature.
Jadi kalau si kere misalnya sakit, misalnya ada sedikit sama kita, bisa kita bantu.
In addition, the Mentawai tattoos are one of the oldest tattoos in the world. Mentawai tattoos have been around since 1500 BC.
Menuliskan dulu, digambarkan dulu bagaimana bentuknya. Kalau misalnya salah buat, kita hapus saja dulu. Iya, memakai pena.
Mentawai tattoos images represent identity about land of origin, social status, and the owner's prowess as hunter. Tattoos in the Mentawai tribe have 3 stages. The first stage will be done at the age of 11 until 12 years old on the arm, then followed by the second stage at the age of 18 until 19 years old on the thigh, and the last one when someone is considered an adult. These tattoos are made from sugarcane and coconut charcoal dye and are applied to the skin using nails, needles, and 2 pieces of wood shaped like hammers. This tattoo method is known to be very painful and is a requirement to become a sikiri. Women from Mentawai tribe have a unique tradition. The women sharpen their teeth to a point. The Mentawai people believe that an adult girl should have sharp teeth. This tradition is intended to control oneself from the 6 bad qualities of humans, namely desire or kama, greed or loba, anger or koda, intoxication or mada, envy or matsarya, and confusion or moha. One of the unique beliefs of the Mentawai people is the belief in zikiri, a shaman who has the ability to communicate with ancestral spirits in nature.
Kalau dia menjadi skere, sudah bertanda-tanda dia menjadi skere, dia sakit dulu. Kan segampang itu misalnya seperti dokter. Sakit dia, sakit kepala, demam, tidak tahu kita kan. Sudah ada tanda-tandanya menjadi skere, baru dia diadakan ritual.
Sikiri play an important role in Mentawai society and are respected as people with knowledge and supernatural powers. Sikiri are seen as people with maturity, adulthood, and wisdom in carrying out traditions and customs, and can provide healing to members of the ummah.
Kalau kalung yang dipakai bapaknya itu ada, kalau yang dipakai bapaknya itu
Iya, ada.
itu penanda sebagai sikere.
Iya, penanda sikere.
Today, with the influence of modern culture, it is increasingly difficult for Mentawai people to find those who are willing to become sikiri. People who are not sikiri are called simatak, which means rao. However, The difference in name does not create a difference in class or social strata in the life of the Mentawai people. The marriage traditions of the Mentawai people have unique requirements. A man who wants to marry must be able to make his own canoe, be able to add tattoos, and have worked in the garden before they can marry.
Berhubungan, Bu.
Kenalan ya, Pak.
Berkenalan, berhubungan, berkenalan. Berkenalannya itu selama lebih kurang 2 tahun. Supaya mereka itu tahu sifat mereka, bagaimana anak itu A dan si B percaya masing-masing lagi. Apakah mereka itu si laki-laki tidak mengemosi, tidak cemburu, tidak memberikan uang kepada kita, kayak gitu. Sifat yang si perempuan itu sudah tahu sifat yang si laki-laki. Sama juga baliknya seperti di si perempuan. Bukan sembarangan 1 bulan itu berpacaran, ambil.
Mentawai marriage more often use the endogamous system, which is a system of marrying someone in their own region, due to the relatively long distance between villages in Mentawai. The Mentawai people mostly work as farmers, fishermen, and artisans. They also have a traditions of hunting and gathering forest products, such as the distribution of betel nut and the production of sagu.
Kerjaan saya, ciptaan pertama di hidup saya.
Makan sagu kita.
Itu bumbunya udah apa aja Bude atau cuma sagu aja?
Sagu aja,
Sagu
nggak ada
aja.
bumbunya.
Ada. Sagunya dari batangnya atau gimana?
Dari batangnya, ditebang, diparut.
Campur kan,
Oh iya.
satu dicampur dengan kelapa.
Nanti rasanya gurih atau apa? Atau hanya hambar itu kayak nasi?
Hati-hati ya.
Kayak nasi.
Seperti ini caranya membuka.
Ini jemputan dari dijemurkan, bukan sudah masak.
Berarti yang dijual hanya bijinya tapi si kulit ini enggak ya Bu?
Iya, dibuang.
Oh dibuang.
Jadi kalau prosesnya kan
The Muntai village has various community activities, one of which is Kuda Lumping. Kuda Lumping dance uses bamboo weaving that is shaped like a horse and decorated with artificial hair made of color cloth, in addition to displaying scenes of horsemen. These things often present magical strange attractions, such as eating glass or being immune to whiplashes. Although kuda lumping is a traditional Japanese dance, they were happy to immediately carry out this cultural tradition. Many Mentawai indigenous people or people from other tribes watch this performance, from toddler to the elderly. The Mentawai people have a traditional house called Uma. Uma is a wooden and bamboo-stud house. Uma is the center of social and religious life for the Mentawai people. In addition to its function as a home, Uma is the center of social life and the center of religious activities.
Tempat ini untuk bersama pada suatu saat ada pesta, pernikahan adat, ada hasil buruan, ada misalnya ritual-ritual muslim, ada lias seperti itu kan. Jadi semua anggota itu ya, kematian harusnya di rumah, namanya Uma. Pertemuan sekelompok.
Berarti kan ada di atasnya itu.
Yang segitiga di atas.
Iya, di jali-jali itu Uma. Itulah tanda Uma. Oh, ini Uma.
Uma is also sacred because it stores sacred objects from the tribe that have living and magical powers such as skulls. Human skulls from defeated enemies, monkey skulls, turtles, and tortoises are kept in Uma as symbols of victory and courage. The hanging of pig or monkey heads on the walls has a symbolic meaning. If the head faces the house, it is a pet, whereas if it faces outwards, it is the result of the hunt. Paintings of animals on the walls are only for decoration, one of which is the buffalo animal. Turtles are needed for purposes such as healing rituals.
Artinya karena mendapatkan buruan, misalnya kalau ada gambar monyet, gambar busa, gambar itu, sama dengan juga dibuat tato di sini ada beberapa gambar binatang.
Kalau gitu, orang kiri atau jangan dikasih santan. Dulu, sebenarnya dia meninggal bulannya bulan purnama. Belum purnama dibikin berarti bulannya. Jadi itu mengingat kembali bahwa dia meninggal saudara ini bulan purnama.
Kalau misalnya dia meninggal dunia, misalnya si A, contohnya ya si A meninggal, habis itu meninggal sudah 1 hari, Kuanem bahasa Mentawai masih alak gelajen memberikan baju untuk dia.
The size of Uma is not the same, nor is its shape. The common size of Uma is 20 times 10 times 4 meters, but there are also smaller or larger ones.
Itu sekitar 9 kali 12
Minimal itu.
minimalnya.
Besar betul.
Besar. Seperti yang di satu, yang di belakang itu rumah, yang di jalan itu
Iya.
rumah itu. Lalu ada desain khusus sebagai syarat untuk dikatakan Uma. Pertama adalah desainnya, bentuknya, konstruksinya ya. Yang kedua, ada beberapa persyaratan yang di dalamnya harus diisi. Pertama, ngong,
Ngong.
Ya,
Ngong itu apa, Pak?
apa namanya? Gong itu, gong.
Gong, ya.
Kalau bahasa di sini gong, bahasa Indonesianya gong. Dia tuh tudukan, kentongan yang dikatakan kentongan. Kalau bahasa ininya kentongan, yang kalau bahasa Mentawainya tudukan.
Uma is built with a construction system that does not use nails, but is packed with wood and a cross-notch joint system.
Pakai paku atau apa sambungannya?
Ya, pakai tali tein. Tak pakai apa tuh? Pakai tali tein.
The building of Uma resembles a long-term roof built on stilts. The frame of the Uma buildings consists of 5 sets of constructions for beams and supporting columns for the roof. This building frame is built in a transverse row to the back and is interconnected with a longitudinal beam.
Jadi kenapa sampai dia 10 bulan untuk menyelesaikan ini? Karena dia mencari bahannya dulu. Nah, jadi mencari bahannya itu kayak lama. Jadi diselesaikan satu persatu. Kalau sudah lengkap itu lanjut lagi sampai dia selesai.
The materials of Uma are made from materials that are available in the environmental of the Mentawai people, namely using a roof made of palm leaves, walls made of bark or karai, floors made of bamboo, nibum trees or sago palm fronds, and stilts made of mangrove wood.
Ini namanya kalasau.
Kalasau.
Lasau.
Dari bambu.
Biasa kalau satu umat itu butuh berapa sisir, Pak?
3.000.
Oh, nyampe ribuan ya.
Iya. Kalau kecil rumahnya 400, 300. Satu itu bisa 3 menit.
Satu bisa 3 menit.
Ya. Tergantung orang yang lihat juga. Kalau lihat orangnya 2 menit. Nah, kadang 5 menit.
Kalau ini bambu ini manggea.
Mangge ya?
Ini manggea.
Berapa lama ngerjain atap, Pak?
Kalau misalnya kita kejar itu, kalau tidak ada halangan kita 1 hari itu bisa 100.
Uma is divided into 3 parts. The front part is for gathering and socializing. The middle part is for sleeping and gathering. And the back part is for cooking.
Sama kalau zaman dulu tidurnya di
Nampak ke lambungnya.
Kelihatan kamu.
Tapi ada batas di dapur itu kan sebagai laki-laki.
Laki-laki nggak boleh masuk dapur.
Nah, kalau misalnya laki-laki tidur itu bagian tengah ini.
tengah ini ya, Pak.
Nah, bagian perempuan
belakang itu.
ibu-ibu.
Jadi nenek, ibu, anak yang perempuan di belakang.
The front part of the Uma has 2 opening verandas called gare on either side of the house. The gare are used for gathering, chatting with guests, and cutting meat.
Kalau pintunya ini apa ini namanya? Sausau.
Sau-sau.
Iya.
Sau-sau.
Kalau misalnya mau apa nggak ada acara tutup. Ya kalau ada acara lanjut.
Dibuka lagi.
The middle part of the Uma is the main hall, called Jai Raba. It is used for sleeping, gathering, and watching performance.
Tapi kalau misalnya ada mentawai enggak. Kalau rumah ini enggak ada kamar ini.
Oh tidak boleh, emang
Tidak boleh.
benar-benar
Iya,
plong gitu
iya.
ya Pak.
The back part of the Uma is the kitchen, called Abu. It is located at the back of the house and has no chimney. The smoke from cooking escapes through the gaps in the roof.
Iya, ini tempat panen nih.
Namanya ada Pak?
Kalau bahasa Mentawai di sini lengan bola.
Lengan bola?
Iya.
Lengan bola. Sama ya Pak, seperti
Iya,
di sini
sama.
juga. Terus kalau ini gunanya apa Pak?
Ini
Disebut apa?
kalau bahasa Mentawainya di sini kalau
Garaban.
Iya.
Jadi kalau misalnya mau masak, jangan ngambil kayunya di
Iya,
sini
di
gitu ya
sini,
Pak.
iya.
Jadi kalau ini tuh ada kayak khususnya ini buat babi,
Iya.
ini buat apa gitu.
The Mentawai traditional house or Uma has a simple plumbing system. Fresh water is piped directly from a nearby stream, and the wastewater is disposed of in two ways. Toilet waste is buried in a deep pit located next to the toilet. Kitchen waste is drained into a ditch.
Dari sumur ya?
Sumur galian.
Jadi per rumah pasti memiliki sumur atau satu sumur beramai-ramai?
Rata-rata lah satu rumah satu sumur. Lengan bola.
The constructions of Uma is an activity that is carried out by members of the Mentawai community. In the process of building Uma, there is usually an event before construction, in the form of a closed tribal festival. This ritual begins with digging the ground and planting the stilts. Meanwhile, after the Uma is finished, a grand party will be held for the 3 consecutive days with the invitation of the tribe and the surrounding residents.
Selesai itu ya kan pesta. Kalau yang namanya di harus itu.
Rehat pun tetap di pesta.
Oh, kalau kayak harus dipestakan.
Sama dengan pesta.
Nggak dibuka sembarangan.
Oh, sama kayak mau bikin. Waktu mau bikin
Iya,
ada pesta.
iya.
Apa acara? Apa nama acaranya?
Sekarang sama juga, apa namanya, semacam boleh dikatakan ulang tahunnya lah, seperti itu. Tapi pestanya sama dengan baru dibuat.
Oh,
Untuk pesta itu kalau misalnya ada Mentawai, pestanya yang pertama disiapkan adalah babi dengan ayamnya, geteknya, keladi-keladinya, sapinya itu yang harus disiapkan dulu. Lalu pada saat pesta itu ada beberapa misalnya orang melihat, wah mereka menandakan kita pesta itu adalah pakai bunga, pakai seberan, pakai gajema, menandakan kita bahwa kita ada pesta di sana.
The Mentawai people, a tribe of hunters and gatherers, have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Beneath the crashing waves, behind the lush forest, behind the unique culture, lies their way of life, which is still preserved to this day.